Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Twitch emotes move and animate. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Twitch and click on your favorite live streamer. Alright. Then over here, under the chat box, you will see the gear icon which says chat settings. Click on that. Then it will open a new set of settings. You need to click on chat appearance. Alright. Then you will have more options. You just need to select emote animations. So if this is disabled, those emoticons will not move at all, or there will just be a static uh, PNG or JPG. But if you select that or turn this on, those emoticons will move and animate as they are intended to be. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.